gonna go pick some fruit. Ready to go off this way, Nathan? Nathan? Nathan, let's go pick some fruit this way. Let's bring the buckets over here to pick. So Grandma, let Grandma help carry one. Over the bugs. Over the bugs. See the bugs? See the bugs? There's the bugs. Yeah, put it in the bucket. Okay, show Grandpa the fruits that you picked. Show Grandpa the fruits. Show Grandpa.
Yeah, oh, those are pretty.
Okay, here we go. You take your bucket.
We'll get some more.
Here we go. Let's go get some fruit. Get your bucket. Let's go pick some. Let's go pick some tomatoes. Let's go pick the tomatoes. You want to pick some tomatoes, Nathan? Nathan? Just go pick the tomatoes. Come pick the tomatoes. Where's the tomato? I found one. I found one. There it is. You can put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket.
Good boy.
Okay. Shall we pick some more? No. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Put it in your bucket. Atta boy. Okay. Here's some more. Here's some
Oh, he's
more.
grabbing more.
Pick your bucket. Make
sure they're red, Nathan.
Here's a red one. That's green. Here's a red one. Nathan. Atta boy. Oh, get a picture. Is that good? Is it good? Is it good? Don't like it? You put it in Grandma's bucket. Tomato. Tomato. Yummy. I'll put it in Grandma's bucket? Yeah.